Are you tired of paying over $4 a gallon of gas or $5 on diesel? Look no further. I have the ID Buzz here. My name is Jerry Velasquez. On behalf of Team Volkswagen and Audi, I'm here to talk about this beast today. Now this ID Buzz comes with LED lights with light assist within the front, as well as poor weather lights within the vehicle. Front gloss bumper look, which is really nice. It complements the vehicle very well. All around, the tires are Continentals. It's going to come with 20-inch rims with hubcaps, keyless entry. So long as you have the key in your pocket, it opens up, and then a powered sliding door. You could also override this if you don't want it powered. But tons of space in the second row within the vehicle, which is awesome. This is probably the biggest van that you could get in the market right now. Now in the ID Buzz, it does boast 241 range capability, as well as a 91 kilowatt lithium battery. This battery is awesome within the vehicle, which is nice. This does have a power liftgate, of course, but look at all this space in the back. You don't typically see that back there with any of these vans nowadays. Now with the third row, you can take this third row out, and you could also recline these seats. Capability of it is awesome. Tons of space back there, and especially for this one too, because this is a 7-seater compared to the other ones is an option of a 6-seater. Now this is where all the magic happens. This is where you put your charging port here. Now on Volkswagens, they run on a CCS charger. However, you get the NACS adapter now available through parts department, which is really nice. You can charge at Tesla stations at any time you want. Let's go inside the vehicle. I'm going to show you a couple features inside there. Now with this vehicle, you don't have to press the push start at all. It'll recognize that you're already within the vehicle, so you just press the brake here and boom, it already starts for you. It's in accessory mode automatically. In the Pro S, you get heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, built-in navigation, and then even massage seats, which most vehicles nowadays don't even offer, but this has it. Really nice overall ride quality within the vehicle, and super easy to navigate within the screen here. So this screen has your climate control. If you want to access, again, your heated seats or your cooled seats, just simply click that right there. If you want to access your actual menus for the climate control, you can click that there. Now a couple of unique things that the ID Buzz has over our competitors is center console. This center console right here, you can actually take it off, and if you don't like it, you just throw it in the back, whatever you want to do, and it's simple and easy. You could just put it right back in and it locks in place, so as long as you press this button here. This also has a bottle opener and a ice scraper. You don't even need an ice scraper. You got it right here. You got beer in the back, don't even matter. Bottle opener, easy and simple. 2 cup holders will be right here, and there's a couple controls within the front, so that way you could open the back if need be. Wireless charging pad, and there's USB-C chargers everywhere. 2 here, 1 on the side over there, and then 2 in the back, and then 2 in the second row.